this time of the year. Fall is on its way. You can feel it. The nights are getting a little cooler. And I love to decorate with plants for my front stoop in the fall. I have 2 baskets here. I'm not being totally selfish. These are not both for me. I have a special guest today. And what I want to really talk about, though, is I'm going to make these baskets very non-traditional. Yes, mums are beautiful, and we all love mums, and they're perfect for this time of the year. But what I want to do is focus on using mum buddies, companions to mums. Because as I drove around the nursery, I found so many beautiful choices, and I thought it would be neat to make something a little bit different for my front stoop. But like I said, I've got a basket for somebody else. I've got Trevor joining me today. I've been trying to get him to come and do a video with me, but he's been, so busy with his schedule. But finally he penciled me in. So Trevor, can you come and join us today?
Hi, Stacey.
Hi, I'm so glad you're here.
Yes.
Finally. I've been trying to get Trevor forever, and finally I've got him.
I'm not sure why I'm here, though, Stacey, because these are annuals, and I'm from the perennial department. Not sure about this.
Yeah. So I brought Trevor. He works in the perennial department, and honestly, he doesn't really know much about annuals, but that's okay because he can still enjoy them, can't you?
Yes, I can. Yes.
And I do know that you love this time of the year. It's one of your favorite times, right?
I do. Halloween, especially, is one of my favorite time of years.
Okay, I'm so glad that you said that because I was trying to channel you. And I was trying to put together a basket that you would like. Did I do okay with colors so far?
You did.
Okay.
Yes, I love the darks with the reds.
Okay, so for Trevor, I was thinking kind of drama. I was thinking about Halloween a little. So as you can see, Trevor, I pulled in some of these really pretty, these are ornamental peppers and these deep plum. And I really thought you would love this black petunia.
I do love this.
Because that really reminds me of Halloween. But you can see I've got ornamental peppers in my basket. Now my basket is a little bit more cheerier, a little bit lighter and brighter, kind of representing our different personalities. And you can see how what I thought was really what I was struck by was how unique ornamental peppers are. We have some that are kind of this creamy white and some are this bright yellow. And I just thought it was so neat. Here we have totally the same baskets, but we're going to have a very different look in both of our baskets. Then I thought Trevor would love this. This is actually celosia, and this also kind of reminded me of Halloween because it looked like a brain. And Trevor, you know what the name is of this one?
I do not.
This is Twisted.
Twisted.
So it made me think of you.
That is perfect.
Isn't that really
nice?
All right, so our baskets aren't done. We need to complete them a little bit. I put some plants behind you. So Trevor,
very nice.
I know you may not know which one this is, but can you grab your pansy to start?
I believe this is it.
Trevor, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Yes. So Trevor pulled his pansy. So Trevor, I think the pansy would be nice in the center of your basket.
Okay.
And I also have a pansy here. So Trevor's got sort of a nice, deep sort of burgundy one.
Yes. Look at that.
And I've got a bright yellow one, which also says fall to me for sure. And I'm going to plant that one. Mine's going to kind of be a little
Mine's
bit
stuck
more.
in the pot a little bit.
Yeah, that can happen for sure. I'm going to put mine a little bit more off to the side because we don't have to have the exact same pattern in our baskets, right? See, look how much that's filling out, and see how the colors pull out the plum in that ornamental pepper. Don't you think that looks pretty?
Yes, it's very nice. And this pepper, what color is it going to be?
The pepper is going to be a deep purple.
Oh, very
nice. The pepper will be a deep purple as well. So. All right, then I've got something else unique. You do not have this. I have heather. Heather actually technically is a perennial, so you actually could plant it in the ground when you're done with this basket on your front stoop. This is also heather in this citrusy color. So I'm going to plant a heather, but I
have a
you,
pepper.
Yes, Trevor, you're getting so good. Trevor has another ornamental pepper, which stays nice and short, that one. That's not going to get so tall like the one in the back.
And it has the green leaf.
Yeah, it has a green leaf, right? Yes, very good. You notice
nice.
The contrast.
Notice the color difference.
But see how that's all coming together? We're getting balance in our colors. And also, you guys, still not using any mums. I still love mums, though.
I do, too.
You know, they are very traditional, and I love them. Okay, I've got the final plant, which I think is very unexpected for a fall basket. And that is a Gerber daisy. And I love Gerber daisies. You've got one there.
Look at this
so
one.
look at the difference. So mine, I really feel like has some nice fall color to it. But Trevor, that center eye of your Gerber daisy has that kind of deep
purple.
Right.
Nice.
Don't you think that will go well with your right? And this, Trevor, did you know there's a little something about this Gerber daisy? that I wanted to tell you.
And what's that?
Did you know that this can be a houseplant?
I did not.
Yes. So when you are done with this in your basket, you can actually bring this inside, enjoy it all year round. And there's mine, our finishing touches. Trevor,
Pretty.
do you like it?
I do.
Did I pick out something nice for you?
Did.
Good, perfect. So here we have beautiful baskets for the fall to decorate our front stoops. You're gonna put yours on your patio probably.
Yes, I am.
Totally different, the same container, but completely different. His is kind of dramatic, a little bit
I like
lending towards
Yes.
Halloween. Mine is very bright and cheery, but also has some of these fall colors in it. And I think that's what's so unique about this time of the year. There are so many plants that you can decorate with and make it completely your own. Make it fit your style, your home, your personality. Trevor, I'm so happy that you joined me.
I'm
Finally.
glad to be here
Thanks
to
a bunch.
help you out.
We'll-
Bye.
We'll see you next time.